Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming cable type and measuring the route. Accuracy saves rework. Next, mark entry/exit points and probe studs so you know where to drill. Run a short pilot length loosely along the planned path to check fit. This shows obstructions before final drilling. Once done, prepare termination ends. Leave 8-10 cm slack at each end so you can crimp or punch down without strain. Make sure to power down nearby electrical work for safety. You now route cable through walls, drill measured holes through plates, and install rubber grommets to prevent sheath abrasion. Use fish tape to guide the cable through studs and cavities, feed slowly to avoid snags, and keep the jacket intact. As you pull the cable into place, secure it with low-profile clips every 30-50 cm. This prevents sagging and stress. Also, maintain at least a 15 cm separation from AC wiring to reduce interference. Once routed, trim slack only after terminations are ready. You finish by terminating each end properly. Choose RJ45 crimp plugs for patch runs or punch down keystone jacks for wall plates, following T568A or T568B consistently. Once terminated, mount wall plates and coil access cable neatly inside the box to avoid kinks. Now test with a cable tester for continuity, pair order, and link speed. A failed pair often means a misterminated conductor or poor crimp. If tests fail, restrip 5.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.